I'm at the Baca Park Wetlands Nature Trail, and here you can come see the beautiful wildlife. Lots of birds here. There's waterways, grasses, and it's a beautiful park to begin with. They just redid the tennis courts, which are excellent. I need to figure out how I can get a tennis racket or something. Anyway, it's a great little sort of jewel on the edge of Taos, and a place that I like to come to when I can.